Hello friends, this is Lady Flora, and I don't know if you can see him, but this is a turtle with a mossy covered back or an algae covered back. And he's just like, I don't know, scooting along in the muddy river here. It's really more of a retaining pond. There he is sticking his head up out of the water. Oh, he's kind of cute. He's kind of cute. There we go. Hi, little guy. Tickle, tickle. Kind of a cute turtle. Doesn't seem to be very afraid. I've seen a lot of turtles actually kind of slinking along in the mud out here. I don't know if you can see, but the water level's a little bit low, so they just go through all the water and yeah, hopefully they are getting some good muddy delicious treats. I don't know if you can hear, the squirrels are kind of going crazy. The squirrels and the birds are chirping and making quite a lot of noise. Heaven and nature sing. But yes, it is December, and I just came out here to see what I could see. It's about 78 degrees, but I would say it feels a little more like 87. And it's disappointingly warm, even though it was a bit overcast recently. We've got another friend back here. Hello, Heron. How are you? You're looking very, very white and glowy. Maybe it's the lighting. Maybe we're all looking a little bit white and glowy. It's so great to live in Florida where you can see these beautiful white, graceful herons just slowly meandering through people's yards, through your own yard, catching lizards. It's very cool. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. I hope you guys are looking forward to Christmas time or holiday time. So many amazing things to celebrate this time of year. And the beauty of nature is just one of them. But I had some really good Christmas memories. One in particular, I had a really stressful Christmas. I'm not sure why. Maybe it was just one of the first Christmases where you start to feel like an adult. But I just wasn't feeling it one year, and I was very stressed. We went to a lot of places. We have a lot of family that lives in the same town that we live in, so we were just very busy. It was a busy year. And my husband had this big surprise for me. It was in the closet. I wasn't supposed to look at it. And I like surprises, so I'm not gonna peek. You're just totally taking fun away from yourself if you go peek at your Christmas gifts. So don't do that. But there's the heron. He's still there. But anyways, so Christmas, I don't remember if it was Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, but so he's like, okay, let's go to the closet and let's look at your present. And he opens this closet, and it was full of plants. It was like 10 plants in there. It was so amazing. And I got kind of emotional because I get a little emotional just thinking about it now, but I was like, oh, you know me, you get me, you really get me. And plants are just one of those things that always make me feel better, always make me feel relaxed. That's why I do these vlogs. That's why I'm hoping to share that with you, that philosophy that your answers and your harmony can be found outside. So that was a really great Christmas memory for me. I would love to hear if you have any particular great Christmas memories. It doesn't have to be a gift or anything. It could just be a mood or a feeling or just a great time that you had. I would love to hear what those are. You can let me know in the comments below. That would be awesome. And I would love to have you comment, like, subscribe, and share so you can see more of cool herons walking through beautiful retaining pond river things. Yeah, I make several vlogs a week because I believe that connecting with nature can have a positive impact on your life. So I would love to have you comment, like, subscribe, and share. And after you do that, go outside and have a sublime day.